my screen visible to both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Subhash.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you both of you for informing. So today we will be discussing about the types of SEO. Um, so can you any one of you can give me like the names of types of SEO? I guess we already discussed briefly about it in the first or second class maybe.
Types of SEO means on-page SEO, off-page, and technical SEO.
Okay.
Contents creation.
No, that is not the type of SEO. We are talking about only the types of SEO.
Local SEO.
Yes, that is also a type of SEO.
Off-page optimization.
Okay, so I guess you both have a fair idea about the types of SEO. So we will be like moving forward now. So types of SEO and their function, like SEO has various types, and like every type has different functions by which we can optimize our website for better visibility in the search engine result pages. Now we will be discussing about the primary types of search engine optimization and their functions. The first one is on-page SEO. So on-page SEO basically involves when we like particularly work on like individual pages on our website so that we can improve their ranking on search engine. And this basically includes when we optimize the content, the meta tags, which include meta title, meta description, the images, and there are many on-page elements which we'll be discussing in the next topic, like practically. So we have to like work on multiple elements, multiple like content so that we can make it SEO friendly, and it adds value to the users and the search engine both. Then comes off-page SEO. So off-page SEO is basically basically focuses on activities or some strategies which we do outside the website. So on-page is something which we do on the website, but off-page is something which we do outside the website so that we can improve the ranking of our website on search engine. So common off-page SEO tactics basically include when we do link building via various off-page activities. We do social media marketing, or we can do off like influencers outreach. So these are some of the things which are included in off-page SEO. Then is technical SEO. So technical SEO is more concerned when we work on the technical aspects of the website so that we can obviously enhance its crawlability, indexation, and overall performance of our website. So this basically includes tasks such as like we have to optimize the site speed. If our site like website is like loading slowly, then we have to work on that, and we should make sure that our website opens like fastly in the mobile devices also. So, and we have like multiple structures of data in the technical SEO, so we have to work on them also. Then XML files, we have multiple things. So we'll be discussing all of these things in like detail in the coming classes. Then we have local SEO. So local SEO is basically the aim behind local SEO when is to like the main aim is to optimize website for the local search query. Like for example, someone of you is in Karnataka, so you want to search bakery near you. So you will search on Google bakery near me. So it will give you all the bakeries which are available nearby your location. So that is, so we have to optimize our website in such a way that whenever someone searches query related to our business product or our business niche, then our business should be visible at that time. It is basically essential for businesses who have a specific geographical location, like who are physically present at a particular location. Then we local SEO basically has Google My Business profile. I'll show it to you when we will work on like local SEO. Uh, and then we have local citations as well. And then we have to like get positive reviews from the customers as well, so that it gives a positive impact on our business. Then mobile SEO. So mobile SEO is basically when we like basically optimize our website for mobile users, those who access our website on mobile devices, so that it gives them a good experience, a seamless and user-friendly experience on different types of mobile devices, whether it is Android phone, like whether it is mobile phone or tablet or any other thing. So like it should give them a good uh, experience. This basically includes the responsive design, the fast loading times, and mobile friendly content. Then we have voice search SEO. So with the rise of like like now generations just click on the voice button, they just touch on the voice button, and they just ask Google or any other AI tool, like just if they want to get, like, for example, kids nowadays just go for voice search. They just ask Google or any other AI that I want to see this and this. So they will give results based on that voice search only. So we have to optimize content according to those searches also. So this basically involves for like using some conversational keywords or some relevant keywords which can be used by our customers. Then is e-commerce SEO. So e-commerce SEO is specifically made for those who have online stores. It basically includes product tags, what category that product falls under, and the overall structure of e-commerce website, so that we can improve the visibility and get more traffic on our website. Then is YouTube SEO. So YouTube SEO basically focus on optimizing video content for good, like better visibility on YouTube search result, and it includes various keywords, and we have like engaging thumbnails, and catchy titles as well. And the description, like the description and tag should be on point for YouTube SEO. Then we have content SEO. For content SEO, we basically involves like creating high quality content and valuable content, which is optimized for search engine. And this basically includes keyword research, creating good content, shareable content, and addressing what actually the user want. Then we have international SEO. So international SEO is basically for websites which are targeting in multiple countries. For example, you have any business which have customers in multiple countries. So international SEO basically focuses on content for different languages and regions. So it basically includes href lang tags, geo-targeting. So, href tag, I'll show you once we will discuss about international SEO. Then geo-targeting, targeting customers based on
Ma'am,
their,
what is
yes.
href tags, ma'am?
He just said like when we will discuss international SEO like in detail, I'll show you everything related to that in the practical class. Like I'll brief you about it. It is basically the tag which we use so that we can convert the languages. Like you get the option to convert this page in English, or for example, if the page is in Chinese or something, so it get automatically converted to English. So that is the basically work for href tag.
How to do it, ma'am?
We will do that in practical class. Okay. Okay, so these are basically the types of SEO. The main types which we work on are on-page, off-page, technical, and local SEO. Like the main SEO. Obviously, we have to work on all of these, but these are the main which we have to like keep in mind. These four are the main. Now coming to on-page SEO. So on-page SEO basically it's something like when we do some activities as we already discussed on our website so that our web pages get improved and we provide good quality content and relevant content to our users in search engine. And the main goal behind this is that this is that's a search engine basically understand what actually our website do, what is the content present on our website, and it gives a positive experience to our visitors. Then what are the key components of on-page SEO? First one is keyword research. We have already done that, like the main first part of on-page SEO was keyword research. We have already done that. Then is title tags. So title tags is basically, one second, I'll show you. So is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
So we were discussing about title tag. So I'll show you what is title tag. For example, you are searching for, let's take an example, cheesecake recipe. Okay, so this is a recipe you wanted to search. Now we just we were just talking about title tag. So the title tag is this one in blue. So this is our meta title or title tag, whatever you want to say it. So this is the main heading, or in simple language, if I say this is the main heading of your website. This is the main tag of your website, which shows what this page consists of. Like this will you'll see every website has this. So this is very like important part of any website, the meta title, and it should be like somewhat between 50 to 60 characters, not more than that. And you have to include your keyword in this tag. Like for example, cheesecake is the keyword. So they all have used this keyword.
There is a content. There is a content, ma'am.
Sorry,
There is a content. Cheesecake.
this is the seed keyword.
Okay.
This is the seed keyword which they have focused on, or the keyword, and this is the proper keyword, the informational keyword. So it should be like included in your meta title. So the title tag is displayed on the search engine result pages. So this whole is the search engine result page, which we have already discussed. And it is very like very important because see, if you haven't included the keyword, then for example, the best like pastry recipe, if this thing was written here, will I be like willing to click on this when I just wanted the best cheesecake recipe? So I will not click on it if there is so like something else is written instead of cheesecake. So that's why you should focus on the keyword part. So you should include your keyword. Then is meta description. So meta description is something you can see over here, simple, classic, and no water bath required. The texture is smooth and some. So this from simple to crust, the part I have highlighted. So this is the meta description, like in simple word, if I say the summary of the whole page, like you can expect this thing from this page. So that is considered as a meta description. So it is like we always have to write catchy and compelling meta description, which will summarize the content of our page, like what the content of this page consists of. Then we have the meta description, like do not directly impact the ranking. but they influence like, see, if this meta description is not good, then I'll not be willing, sorry, then I'll not be willing to click on this, like go to this website. If this description is not good, obviously, if the description is good, see, I'm not able to see the meta description properly over here. So I will not be willing to like go to this website. Yes, it is there. How is cheesecake made of? And they have properly mentioned everything. So then I'll see, yeah, this website has clearly mentioned the details, and I guess there will be a good one. So I'll obviously go to this website, and it will obviously improve the click-through rate from search result. Like more and more people wanted to like visit this website. So in this way, like you should write your meta descriptions. Then is header tags. So header tag, once you will click on the website, I'll go to the Prayug and I'll show. So yes, once you will move to this website, you will see that there is like a title, like a big title written over here, written over here, and then big font. So this is considered as a heading tag, the H1, H2, H3 tags. So this is considered as the like the main heading tag, the H1 tag.
No, there chase is there. No chase. There is a H1 tag. No, in the previous example you showed. No, that chase.
This one is the heading tag.
Okay.
That was what like the one you will see on the search engine result page is title tag or meta tag. We say it like in digital marketing, we say it meta tag. So this is a meta tag, but H tags are different. H tags are basically the heading tags, the heading of the content on the page which you have landed. Like for example, this is the page I have landed. And this is this one. The best cheesecake is the H1 tag, the heading tag. So H1 is basically like on every page, only one H tag will be there. Like this is primary heading. And then we have subsequent tags, the H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So in that way, it keeps on going.
No H2, H3, H4. Where it is going?
I'll show. I'll show. H1 is clear to both
Yeah.
of you.
Yeah.
3, is it clear? Okay. So then after that, you'll see over here. We can consider this as like H2 tags because the headings size has decreased and many things have like months.
No, it's a dependent size or what?
No, like yes, size also, but if you want to like check it, like if you want to check it is like I I am experienced in this thing, so I know that yeah, obviously this will be the H2 tag. But when I was fresher, I have to check it like if is it H1 or H2, H3. But by size, like with time, you will get to know like obviously this will be H2 or H3 like that. But if you want to like we make sure, just right click and click on inspect, and then this something like this will open, and you just have to uh, check like yes, this is H2 tag. If I click on this on the left corner, like left side of the screen, you will see H2. So that means it is the H2 tag. Okay. Then there will be like multiple tags H3, H4, H5 according to like the needs or if there are any points. So the tags will be based on that. So they have used two H2 tags. So must know tips for making perfect cheesecake. So that is also the second H2 tag. Guess they don't have any uh, H2, 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 and they have used like multiple of H2 tags. So like you can use up to like 10, ideally 10 up to 10 H2 tags or 10 H3, but it is not recommended to use like more than that. And if you can like limit it to 5 or 6, that will be a good practice, like not more than that. So in this way, yeah, like these tags will be used according to what your content is, like what type of information you are doing it, like giving to the providing to the audience. Like if there are multiple pointers, then you can obviously give H3, H4, H5, H6 tags. And it will basically help you to break down and organize the content in a proper manner. So in this way, you can use header tags basically.
Now, what is the
The
breakdown content?
pointers, if I must say, for example, this is the page. Okay. So in this, we have like considered it as H2 tag. Okay. Then I have marked it as H3 tag. And these all are H3, the subheadings. I have marked it H3, and then if I click on example, let's say I have marked this as H6 or H3. So, and one thing I should tell you that you have to like use a header tags in a sequence. Like, you should not do this like the H1. You have given H1 at the bottom of the page, which is very like wrong. You should not do that. And you have mentioned H6 tag on the top of the page. No, just go in the sequence, like sequence wise, H1, H2, H3, and sequence of the page. So go in that way. Don't use like these tags anywhere on the page.
No, I'm asking what is the breakdown content?
Breakdown content is how like you are like showing your content, like this is the breakdown. So breakdown is something like in how many points you will be showing your content, or
Okay.
in how many header tags you will be showing your content. That is the breakdown content. Then comes the URL structure. So we have always, we should always keep in mind that we should always create SEO friendly URLs, which are easy to read and tell us what the page consists of. And it should also consist of our main keyword. And we should use avoid complex URLs which have like some special characters. We should never use URLs which have like except slash and this hyphen. We should not use any other special characters. Try to make your URL as simple as possible. So
Now,
as you
what is
can see,
a
this is
what
the
is meant by your
URL. We have already discussed it, Shivar, very like in the second or third class. What is URL? I guess like you should remember this. We already discussed it. So this is the URL of this page. So every page has different URL. Okay. So as you can see, I have mentioned the my keyword as well over here, which is SEO Geo EO certification code. So I'm using it as a keyword also, and I have mentioned it in the URL as well, and it is giving me information that this is the page for SEO Geo AEO certification. So I'm very clear that yes, it consists of anything, any content related to this topic. So in this way, your URLs should be very like on point, and it should give information to what actually it
Ma'am,
contains,
what is
and no
GEO and
special.
AEO, ma'am?
So this is the course name.
GEO means?
So geo basically is graph, like geographical. If I say, this is based on the what area you are focusing on.
Okay. AEO means, ma'am?
So geo is something like generative engine optimization. This is a different course which we are offering. So AO is answer engine optimization.
Okay.
Okay, so is it clear the URL structure? And don't ever use any special characters except these two characters in the URL. Then is keyword placement. So you already have research keyword, but now you have to place your keywords in the content in such a way that it naturally blends with your content. Like if you are adding a keyword, it's like ideally it should be in the first 10 lines of your content, which will give the more attention to your keywords. Then you can add a keyword naturally in your headings or within the body of the text somewhere. For example, these are keyword as well. So, and you have to always add, like this is the content of my page. So I have to naturally add my keyword here in the content in such a way that it naturally blends with my whole content. Like it doesn't stand out, but it naturally blends. So that is the main like idea behind keyword placement. Then social media integration. So social media integration is basically when you encourage like social sharing by adding like social media buttons. And yeah, you can see over here, like, are you able to see my cursor on the right bottom of the screen? Yeah.
Where?
So these are
No.
all the social media links of Prayug, like for Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook. So why we have added here? So that like if someone wants to see our social media, they can just click on this icon and they can directly, they will be redirected to our social media. So, so they basically like do not directly impact on the ranking, but they help us to get some traffic or some visibility through social media as well. Then is content quality. So we, as I already mentioned it many times, that we have to create high quality content, and the content should be very engaging, and it should always like fulfill users' intent, like users need what actually the user want and what are their questions. It should answer that. And longer and in-depth content often like perform well. You should give a good long or in-depth answer and with keywords including it, so it will obviously perform well in the search engine rankings. Then we have internal linking. So
Madam,
internal linking is basically when you will like for example, I'll click on internal linking is when I link one page of my website to other page. For example, if I click on blog, I'll get redirected to the blog page. So this is considered as internal linking. When I'm linking one page of my website to the other page. So when we have like when we include adding link of relevant pages within the website. For example, this is a blog on data science basically. So I have included the links, the titles of the blogs which are somewhat related to data science. So if I click on this, I'll be redirected to the other blog which is related to data or IPL. So this is considered as our internal linking. So it basically help us to distribute the link equity like and if you want to navigate like the main reason behind this is easy navigation. So we have already mentioned the main things over here. So if I just wanted to know about Prayug, then I will redirect it easily from here to the About Us page. So it will, so it have improved the navigation, and it will obviously help me, like encourage me to explore more. Okay, so I have read about Prayug, what they do. I have read their blogs as well. Okay, so I'll give go to the career path. What are they providing in the career opportunities? So and then we have like okay, if someone want to teach on Pride, they can just log in like as an instructor here. They can like get registered as the registered like the trainer as trainer here. And if they want to contact us, they can obviously directly contact us from this page. So this is all these are the uses of internal linking. So that's all about on-page SEO. So if you have anything, please
Madam,
let me know.
content quality.
Yes,
Last page. Please come to last, madam.
yes.
This is content quality. How to improve the content quality?
Content quality, firstly, you should never copy the content from any other websites. And if even if you are writing it with Chat GPT or any other AI, try to humanize it. Okay, try to make the content in a form that it looks human written, not the AI written form. And it should obviously include your keywords in it. That will also help you to it will
No, give a example for this content quality.
content quality is something I already like mentioned many of the time. Content quality is nothing like you just have to give the good quality content. Like I have, for example, I have mentioned, let me check. Okay, I have, this is my keyword. I have like naturally blended the keyword in this blog. So this is also good quality content. I have made this content humanized. I have not like, and even I have checked if this is a plagiarized content or not, like copied content or not. I have to check that also before posting. The quality mainly consists of it should not be copied from somewhere. It should not be AI made. You should always humanize it. You should check it if it there is some plagiarism in it or not. If you have added the keywords or not, it should have proper headings, pointers if necessary, and if you have to link it to like give links of other blogs as well. Like all of these things are the quality of the content.
The who is checking for that? That is a checking by.
You have to check it. The content, the person who will like the content writer will check it.
No, that is a back end or front end.
But this is all like, no, you like the content writer will give you the content. You have to just upload the content on the website. And the Google crawlers will check it if the content is copied. Maybe it will not get. There are multiple like drawbacks of using copied content.
Okay.
Okay. Any other queries?
Madam,
Yes, Subhash.
that
Please, we have other class at 4. Can you please be a quick person?
I'm
Please.
not
no practically you give it. Nashi means is only a subject, no?
What you are saying? Niche it is. Niche is basically the area of interest or like any area where you will what you want to make.
education, digital marketing is one niche.
Like the Prayug's niche is education sector. Our niche. For our niche,
Oh, it's okay, education. But you are given practical way, practical no, some questions, planner and surfer.
Ma'am, I'm leaving, ma'am.
okay, okay. Thank you, Shri, for joining. What are you saying, Suresh?
No,
I'm
no,
not
that practical
getting
you are given, madam, this homework you are given now.
the assignment you're talking about.
Assignment.
So I have already, like we have practiced it in the class, identify the niche or industry, like which industry you want to be working in. You have to identify it. For Prayog, the niche will be education.
Okay.
Yes.
So,
Okay.
so you take that content and you should take a graph and everything, no? What you given that practical.
I have already showed everything in the class.
Okay, I will check and come.
Yes. So from the next time,
Okay.
try to be like very attentive in the class because we have discussed earlier, niche also we have discussed earlier, and the quality of the content. All of these things we have already discussed in our previous
See,
classes.
the
So
quality content means how to rate the content. That's why.
there is no such rating. It's just we have to check it. Like these are the things that they told you will matter. While you only have to check it yourself that if you are giving good quality content or not.
Okay, thank
Okay. Any
you.
other
No, madam.
issues?
That
Okay. Okay.
I can practical. I'll show you, madam. Any problem, will come.
Okay. Try to complete it today only because today is the
Okay,
last day.
okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for joining.